Hey everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to show you how I've made this window card. It's using one of the new card dies from Creative Craft Products. If you're new to my channel, on a Tuesday and a Thursday I keep those days free to share tutorials with a die focus. So I have got similar cards like this on the channel. I've got lots of fun folds, so check out the playlists up here. But if you are someone that likes to have the dies do it all for you so you get those nice mats and layers, then you'll enjoy this tutorial. Or maybe you'll just get some inspiration, then you can go and make something similar. I've used these gorgeous stamps from Mae Design. I've got some accent glaze that's just drying there. There's lots of dimensions, really tactile card. Lots of space on the back there to write your message. And then, like I said, it all folds down. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make it. So this is the A6 window card die set. So you get 16 dies, get your mats and layers, your main card shape there, and then you've got smaller mats and layers for sentiments, and you've got the just because die there as well. So these are all of the dies. So I've already passed the largest one through. Well, I've cut everything, so just ran that one through and it will give you all of the lines here. You can just fold those straight away, but I like to just go over them with my scoreboard, which I'll do in a moment. And then you've got all of your mats and layers. So you've got a mix of stitched and plain. So you can see this one's got the stitch detail, and then you've got the plain one there, and then you've got stitched large and a plain large one, and then your layer for each of those, and then you've got the plain one there for the end, stitched one there, and then again you've got the layers on top. So you've got a lot of choice there. I think the stitch detail always looks really nice on mirrored card. And then you can see again there, you've got your stitch detail and your plain. Okay, so I've already gone ahead and I have cut the largest and then the smallest one there in the white, and I've stamped my image. So that's going to go in the middle. And then I've cut all of these ones here. So you can see I've stuck the first layer on. Oh, it was right the first time. There we go, like so. And I've used the papers from this set here. So this is the new Gingham set. This is the pastel. There's also the bright there as well. I love them. This pink is gorgeous. It's 8x8, 190 GSM, and you get 24 sheets. And for the stamps, I've used this Daisy May set here, which is called Spring Flowers. And I've just cut a section of the watering can there. And then I've got the little tag, which I'm not sure where I'm going to have yet. I've got the little butterfly there, which is going to be probably around there. And then the just because, which is from the set. So I might have that one down there. And then I think I want to wrap some baker's twine around here as well. Just gone over those lines with my scoreboard. So you want to create a valley fold. I like to fold them both ways. So you've got your valley, then a mountain, and then a mountain, and then a valley. So when that all folds flat, they will sit next to each other on the back there, and that is your A6 size that will go in your envelope. So I'm going to stick these all down on the side and lay it down again like this, you can see. So I'm going to stick those all down, and then I'm just going to have a little play around with the baker's twine. I think I'll stick that one on and I'll wrap it around here a few times, because it'll be quite nice to maybe have that attached up there with the butterfly. We'll see. I'm going to pop it all on high speed and I'll show you it when it's finished. Okay, so you would have just seen me add a little button over there. I just changed it slightly. I thought it matched the buttons on the flowers quite nicely. You could also pop someone's initials in there, maybe, if you were personalising it. So that's everything stuck down, and then I'm just going to add some of my glaze to the centres, or on those buttons there. I'll just bring that up so you can see all the detail. It goes on cloudy, but that will dry clear, and just give it a little tap if it needs to level out a little bit. Such a sweet style Displays really nicely. Just cut mats and layers again for the back, and you've got your place to write your message. So thank you as always for watching today. I will have all of the product that I've used linked in the description box below. I've also got a Creative Craft Products playlist up here of all of the dies that make these shaped cards, because I know lots of you do collect them. So the playlist is there now, so you should be able to find them all easily. I'll also have some of the other tutorials popping up now if you want to go and watch any of those next, and I'll be back again very soon. Take care. Bye.